Alright, the Amazon Basics 173-piece kit is that dependable Amazon house brand option that feels like what you'd get if Amazon bundled the essentials and said, here, no fuss. The kit typically includes combo wrenches, a 3/8 ratchet, a comprehensive hex key set, 22 PCs, pliers, slip joint and long nose pliers, multiple screwdrivers, a decent bit set and a blow mold case. Amazon Basics pitch is consistent, heat-treated, chrome-plated alloy steel for corrosion resistance and plastic non-slip handles for user comfort. Across product listings and price trackers, this set often sits in the mid-price bracket for household kits and is a frequent bestseller in its category, which tells you a lot about reliability and perceived value. From a real-world perspective, people who buy this one tend to be homeowners and renters who want to stop borrowing tools. The ratchet and socket selection covers most household tasks, and the screwdrivers are good for furniture assembly, tightening hinges, and light automotive jobs. Review patterns show many customers rating this kit highly for everyday use. The Amazon pages and price monitors show consistent demand and decent review averages. Where this kit shines is consistency. Amazon Basics tends to deliver predictable quality and good customer support if something's missing or defective. What to watch out for? This is not pro-grade tooling. If you are doing heavy mechanical work day in, day out, you'll eventually outgrow it. Sockets and bits can show wear under repeated high torque, and the plastic case is functional rather than industrial. But for 90% of households, it's a great buy once and be done solution. Pros: dependable brand, balanced contents, good price-performance ratio. Cons: limited for heavy professional use, and you might upgrade sockets or ratchets later. We share by links in the description box.